Welcome back, everyone, to Minutes in the Monk. Chintan is with us for this video, for this preview. तो इसका मतलब यही है कि मिलान वर्सेस लिवरपूल होने वाला है. European royalty at display. 13 European cups between both the teams. 7 for AC Milan, 6 for Liverpool. I think मेरे को निधि का आंसर पता है, but Chintan, which is your favorite memory associated to this fixture and why? Just एक reason भी दे दे.
Has to be 2007, yeah, and why? For many reasons. Very emotional tie for us. A scarred match था. मतलब the team was the team you're playing against. I think the kind of loss we faced in 2005. So for a lot of reasons, lot of emotions attached to it. Probably my favorite Champions League game, you can say, forever. Like I think the best game I've ever seen in my life is 2007 because कितने चीज involved थे. The emotions, the high and the lows, and the fear when Liverpool scored. Okay, is this happening again? So sub मिला के I know the referee blew the whistle exactly at 90 minutes without the extra time. But yeah, that relief, that those tears of joy. Probably the first time I shed tears for Milan, I guess. So those sub reasons are probably 2007.
Yeah, 2007, I remember, was a huge heartbreak as Liverpool supporters. निधि, तेरी बेस्ट मेमोरी इस्तानबुल ही होगी हमारी.
नहीं, it's not Istanbul, bro. It's Nat Phillips
Keeps cut
doing
on.
that turn. नहीं भाई, of course it is Istanbul. मतलब Istanbul is the best night of my life. So Istanbul, yeah, Istanbul. Nothing beats Istanbul.
Yeah,
You know, it is so funny that both of us, like you guys and like for even my fans, we can say that Liverpool Milan दोनों sides के लिए probably best matches वो रहे थे and the worst nights भी वही रहेंगे शायद. So
Yeah.
it is like you can say how fulfilling this game is, how emotionally attached this game is, and what I like is जितना भी हुआ है for Milan fans, especially after going to 2005, and I know a lot of Milan fans जो Serie A predominantly देखते नहीं है. There's a beautiful mutual respect when it comes to Liverpool. Of course, I don't want to say it, but you know, it's kind of EPL trolling जो होता है जो Serie A fans और बाकी के outside fans करते हैं, but which is reserved for other teams and not for Liverpool. So it's very beautiful when I see that mutual respect.
That is a huge thing to hear. That मतलब कि हमें वो रिस्पेक्ट मिलता है. एंड मैं चिंतन, जब तू ये बोल रहा था, मैं ये एक्चुअली खुद भी सोच रहा था कि मतलब there's nothing ever against AC Milan. मैंने तो ये रीइटरेट किया जब क्लॉप हमारा था कि अगर इटली में क्लॉप जाएगा ना, मैं चाहता हूँ AC मिलान जाए. लाइक इट वाज वो लेवल ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट है, म्यूचुअल रिस्पेक्ट है.
Exactly.
बट कमिंग बैक टू टुडे, आज रात को, चिंतन, वे रिकॉर्डिंग दिस ऑन ट्यूसडे, ओके, जस्ट टू लेट यू नो. आज वी प्ले AC Milan at San Siro. Chintan, how are we feeling about this game? I just saw 4 games for y'all, and I think 5 points on the board,
Yeah.
and 1 win, 2 draws, 1 loss. How confident are you? How has the start of the season been?
Very bad, to be honest. Till the international break, we were 18th. Pretty terrible. No cohesion between the teams. पता नहीं, कोई अपने आप में सब खेल रहे हैं. Last day debacle, transfer day debacle जो हुआ है. बेनेसर को बेचना था. No one came to buy him. We couldn't buy player. जो eventually went to Roma. So फोन्सेका जो इतने टाइम से ऑलरेडी अनाउंस हो चुका था, डिड नॉट गेट द प्लेयर ही वांटेड. बेनेसर को फ्रीज कर दिया, देन दे हैड टू गेट हिम बैक अगेन. नो playing time, no match fitness, and of course he ended up being injured. He just got surgery today. He's out for 4 months. We can't even replace him in the squad because squad announced हो चुकी है. And very bad start. Conceded same probably. अभी तक शायद इतने साल से आपको भी वही एक्सपीरियंस हुआ होगा. क्लॉप इतने साल से, पर तुम लोग के लिए पॉजिटिव था, हम लोग के लिए पियोली इतने साल था. डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग्स मिलान का पियोली हो गया था, सो वी कुड सी दैट. बट फाइनली आफ्टर द इंटरनेशनल ब्रेक, शायद 2 हफ्ता मिला होगा ट्रेनिंग का, वी सॉ अ लिटिल डिफरेंस बट लॉट ऑफ गैप्स. Probably the worst time to play a team which is usually so aggressive, any English team rather, but especially being Liverpool, the worst time to play them, and the best time to play Milan, and especially at San Siro. So
even after the 4-0 win, best time to play Milan?
Yes, Venezia, probably, no disrespect, but आप probably surely relegate होने वाली है. no chance they're going to survive. Probably the worst team in Serie A. I think you can compare it to the likes of EPL में Southampton, जो पता नहीं कितने goals मार भी सकेगी ऐसा लग रहा है. So only good thing is you could see the players' morale being lifted, especially Rafael Leao and Theo. They've got a lot of slack over the past 2-3 weeks उनके attitude से, but great gesture by Leao also, because he let Tammy Abraham take a penalty. So you know there's a unity in the team. So वो सब चीज के लिए probably personal confidence के लिए काफी अच्छा था, a good step. But you know, I guess वो team अभी settle नहीं हुई Fonseca की team. He's probably his ideas are not getting across. But we saw a little change here for the change.
यार चिंतन तू स्टाइल क्या बोलेगा अंडर फॉन्सेका? मिलान का स्टाइल क्या है? वी हैव बीन हियरिंग थिंग्स अबाउट कलाब्रिया एंड एमरसन रॉयल, उस पे आएंगे, बट स्टाइल क्या बोलता है तू फॉर एसी मिलान? व्हाट वुड यू डिफाइन दैट एज?
यार अभी वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, एक अनफॉर्चुनेट चीज जो हो चुका है इज कभी कभी जो पैनिक मोड में मिलान जाता है वो डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग प्योरली चला जाता है. जो 4-2 हम लोग खेलते थे वो ट्रांजिशन बाय डिफॉल्ट, बिकॉज आई थिंक प्लेयर्स वर सो यूज्ड टू प्लेइंग दैट ब्रांड ऑफ फुटबॉल. Fonseca asks for more defensive cohesion. You know, he wants every single player to do its role. Pioli का एक just a small example. Pioli ने थियाओ को राफेल लियाओ को एकदम लिबर्टी दे दिया था कि यू नो तू जो कर, तेरे को पिच पे करना है, फॉल बैक नहीं करेगा चलेगा, मतलब तेरा गेम है, तू किंग है, खेल तू. And Fonseca is not like that. He said every player has to do his role for my formation and for my ideas to system to play in, and that is the reason why he was benched. So वो अभी तक translate नहीं हुआ है. If you see Fonseca की, I'm not talking about Roma, बहुत पुराना हो गया था, but his Lille was very compact. Every player needs to do its role. Same typical जो अगर pivot खेलेंगे, wing backs ऊपर जाएंगे, defensive midfielder दोनों center midfielder के बीच में आएगा, you know, everyone going in front, closing down ऊपर से होगा, जो more or less probably modern football जो खेलते हैं. लेकिन but he wants the team to move as a compact unit up and down. जो नहीं हो रहा है, that is why probably you see a huge gap between the midfield and the defense. That is where that gap में अभी तक Lazio, Torino जो टीम है, Parma जो उन्होंने एडवांटेज लिया है, वो गैप का लिया हुआ है. That is for us probably the biggest worrying factor, because वो double pivot में अभी तक Fofana is new. He's not gotten used to the system yet. बैठ नहीं पाया है unfortunately. So probably उसका सिस्टम अभी आया नहीं है. I saw a lot of important changes in the last game, because आप लोग सब you're aware of Loftus-Cheek, who is a very जो उसको number 10 खिलाता था, even Pioli, and Tijani Reinders used to be playing as the pivot. But of course, as you even Euros में आप सबने देखा होगा, Reinders has been probably one of the best players, and even in the international break he was absolutely brilliant. So Reinders was moved forward, Loftus-Cheek पीछे आ गया था. But you know, एक player की instinct immediately नहीं जाएगी, right? Loftus-Cheek की भी instinct immediately, he is also running forward. तो वो setup में time लगेगा. So I guess, and Leao also, I saw his work rate probably Pioli के आधे साल में जितना नहीं किया, probably एक match में इतना भागा था. So we are seeing that system, and what helps is we always had a striker like Giroud up front or Zlatan, जो भागते नहीं थे, mobile नहीं थे. अभी Tammy Abraham was in the box. Counter में बाद में दूसरे box में गया. So that is what we were lacking. So I was very happy to see that.
So it's, I'm assuming it's a 4-3-3 even now, and
it's a 4-2-3-1. He wants a 4-2-3-1. So he wants a back four with Fofana and another pivot, and front three, and of course Tammy Abraham or Morata.
So Abhi Ruben Loftus-Cheek is the second pivot.
Fofana and Tijani is up front. But what they do is, of course, they transit a lot, and of course, when defense is 4-3-3 हो जाते हैं कभी-कभी.
Chintan, do you play a high line or low block now?
Not a low block, you can say. He wants to, I just read his interview today. He said we are not going to change our style of play, even if we so again, Venezia pretty high खेल रहे थे, closing down from the front. जैसे Tammy would rush to close down the goalkeeper. So उनका formation बहुत fixed है, and whenever we have the ball, we have a small triangles बनाने का try करते थे. So today he made it very clear that we are not going to change our style, even if we are playing Liverpool and we are playing Inter Milan over the weekend. So he said that I don't want to confuse my players by playing different style. We are going to play the same way. We are preparing ourselves to, in the international break, we prepared ourselves to play against Liverpool as well as Inter Milan. So he's not. So it's not a low block. You will see pretty much high up, and especially with a high energy Liverpool plays, they will not sit back for sure. Milan won't sit back, and especially at San Siro.
यार की बैटल्स तेरे को क्या लग रहा है चिंतन, मतलब are you looking at the wide areas, for example Leao versus Trent, is that what you're looking at? Morata, and I also want to ask you about Morata, उसका start कैसा रहा है?
Great, actually. Unfortunately, got injured immediately after first game. He came on, scored a goal immediately, and Giroud. I love Giroud, great striker, but he's a very good in the air kind of striker. But Joe Morata लेके आया, immediately पता चल गया what we were missing. He came on, scored an equalizer exactly in like a 2-3 minute game, moving up front, moving down. So amazing, and not just him. Credit. I was very critical of Tammy Abraham को sign किया था, but credit where it's due. He's also been amazing. So what Morata brings in is that hold karega. Giroud, of course, amazing at holding the ball, but not very skillful with his feet, right? So Morata hai, wo thoda nimble with his feet, so that he can probably wait Pulisic and Leao running in. But jaise bole aapne great battles. Of course, I'm looking at Trent and Leao from the attacking perspective from either side, because Trent is someone we need to keep quiet, because his assist ratio is so high. His balls are so fantastic, and that is what I'm looking at. But if you ask me, what I'm very more looking forward to is Pulisic on the right. He's been our star since a while, overshadowing Leao also. He's been consistently scoring goals, assisting, energy, probably a ball of energy. So and his work rate, absolutely amazing. So what I'm looking at is on that side, Pulisic will be a very, very, very important figure. You shut Pulisic out, you kind of shutting a huge line, attacking line for Milan over there.
Theo Hernandez is fit?
Yep, yeah, fit and ready to go.
You think he'll play, right? Left back?
Yep. I think what you saw the lineup over the weekend, more or less same hi rahega. Only I'm expecting Tomori to come in, because the way Liverpool plays, you need pace. And I think that's the reason why he was kind of rested, because we have Inter Milan coming up. So I expect Tomori to play too. So Theo has been fit. He was just dropped not for injuries. He was just dropped for a tactical point of view, actually.
Okay.
Leao and Theo both were dropped for tactical perspective. But yeah, and if you ask me, इतना जो समझा है मैंने, one sentence बोला हूँ, इतना setup में our single most important player has to be Fofana. Because जो ट्रांजिशन में जो मिडिल ऑफ जो गैप होगा मिडफील्ड और डिफेंसिव यूनिट के बीच में, वो गैप फिल करेगा फोफाना. सो इफ ही हैज एन ऑफ गेम, Milan are in a lot of trouble.
We have an Italian. Niti, we have an Italian as well in our team who could be in the squad.
I'm just to be very honest, super excited to if he plays, or even a little bit part. Is he in the squad? Chiesa?
Yeah.
If he comes on, and probably that might just be a trump card, because he's played Milan. And just to tell you, whenever from his Viola days to his Juventus days, whenever he's come on pitch against Milan, he has troubled us so much. Goals, assist निकाल के छोड़ने, just that is just stats. बहुत trouble करता है हम लोग को, बहुत ही trouble करता है. He usually comes on the right. Juventus के लिए कभी left में आ रहा था for against Calabria, and Calabria is not a very great one-on-one kind of a defender, so he used to take him on and बहुत trouble किया है. Was very happy to see him leave Juventus, but immediately इधर Liverpool के सामने. But yeah, Luis is equally challenging. But you don't have to worry about Calabria. We anyway is going to play with 10 men, because we have the next Ballon d'Or winner, Emerson Royal, starting for us. So यार क्या हुआ वो, क्या यार, मतलब I'm so happy with the Milan scouts, and Moncada ने ये किया है, एनालाइज करता है, ये करता है, और ये सब करने के बाद एमरसन रॉयल लेके आया है. सो
तू कल देख लेना, एमरसन रॉयल विल हैव द गेम ऑफ हिज लाइफ.
प्राइम कफू बन जाएगा वो. मैं बोलता हूँ लाइक
प्राइम मार्टिनी के जैसा खेलेगा कल वो.
अरे निधि, आई एम नॉट जोकिंग. मैं शेयर करूंगा, एक दो वीडियोस है, नो क्लोजिंग हिम डाउन, मतलब वो ओवरडू करता है, स्टेप ओवर्स करने का ट्राई करता है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट ही डज, एंड देन ही मेसेस अप एंड बैक पास कर लेता है. It is so funny to see that. But yeah, probably our biggest my worry factor, is going to be Emerson Royal.
यार थोड़ा सा अगर हम लोग अपने बारे में बात करें ना तो आई थिंक देखो दिस तो वी हैव डिस्कस्ड एट लेंथ, काफी बात की है इसके बारे में कि हमारा जो स्टाइल ऑफ प्ले है, जैसे हम खेलना चाहते हैं, टीम रोटेशन की बहुत ज्यादा बात हो रही है। देखो यार, टीम पता है चिंतन, हम लोग बहुत ज्यादा रोटेट कर नहीं सकते हैं एक्सेप्ट फॉर द फ्रंट थ्री, जिसमें ड्रास्टिक चेंजेस करेंगे कि नहीं वो दैट इज द बिग क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज मिडफील्ड में you only have these many number of options, right? आप अगर डीएम की बात करोगे तो हमारे पास एक डीएम है जिसको वो खिलाता नहीं है, तो क्रावेनबर्ग है जिसको वो ही इज गोइंग टू प्ले एज डीएम। मैकलिस्टर हैज टू प्ले बिकॉज मैकलिस्टर नहीं खेलता है तो हमारा मिडफील्ड डजंट वर्क, एंड आई थिंक सबोत्सलाई, हाँ, and I think Sabotslai will have to see what happens with Sabotslai, will we play him or not play him. Defense is more or less going to be the same. We have to play the same defense. We cannot, मतलब suddenly यहाँ पे हम कॉनर ब्रैडली को स्टार्ट नहीं करा सकते, and we need Trent for his creative input as well.
Exactly.
So I am expecting some changes. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरे को पता नहीं मानस, ऐसा लगता है कि गैक्पो शायद खेल सकता है ये मैच, राइट? I feel maybe we might see Gakpo in this game. Nunes is the big question. Let's see what he does with him. But हम लोग अभी फॉरेस्ट से हारे हैं. This game suddenly it was always very important. Now it has become even more important.
But you guys had not conceded before the Forest game, is it so?
Yeah,
we had not.
We've just conceded 1 goal in 4 games. It's
Yeah,
not
well,
been.
It's been a pleasant surprise to see Liverpool, to be honest. Of course, I follow EPL, and मेरे को लग रहा है काफी under the radar निकल रहे हैं, because of course after Klopp leaving, they were not termed as favorites. यार मुझे तो बहुत, as you said, only little blip जो दिख रहा है, not so little for you guys, is your starting line seems very good, but I guess तुम लोग का bench strength is something which is worrisome. So that's why I wanted to know what आप लोग का midfield combination क्या रहेगा? I think more or less same होगा. With injuries, we don't have any more midfielders to play with.
Listen, brother,
team चालू करेंगे.
That is what Nidhi is saying. You know, like we have a defensive midfielder in Endo and he doesn't play him क्योंकि उसको वो स्टाइल पसंद नहीं है वो प्लेयर का. मतलब he wants a ball playing, ball carrier player in that position, इसलिए गैवन बर्ड्स खेल रहा है. But so reality है तो वो पोजीशन में से वही है. We have McAllister, Szoboszlai, Curtis and Harvey Elliott. Harvey Elliott is injured for 6 to 8 weeks. So एक ही चेंज कर सकते हैं हम लोग मिडफील्ड में, वो है कर्टिस जोन्स आ रहा है, एंड आई थिंक अगर आएगा तो शायद से सबोत्सलाई की जगह. मैकलिस्टर इज जस्ट टू इम्पोर्टेंट, आई थिंक.
Dude, yeah, he's amazing. Engine है वो तो.
Engine, bro, engine. Kind of reminds me of Cambiaso, both Argentine. मेरे को ऐसे सिमिलर लगता है. Can do anything and everything.
Yeah, amazing.
I think front three में we might see a few changes, and I maybe Konate को रेस्ट दे दे और Kwanzaa को खिलाए, because Konate अगर ज्यादा मैच खेलता है इंजर्ड होता है, वो उसके डीएनए में हो. So if you ask me what are the substitutions changes we make, these are the 3: Kwanzaa, Curtis and Gakpo. But we have not seen him make 3 changes in the starting lineup ever, so let's see what happens.
As fans generally, आप लोग को, जैसे आपने भी, Nidhi was saying that आप लोग के लिए it's more or less the same thing about the transition. So have you guys Arne Slot का exact style पता चला है कि is it he's going to go on the principles of Klopp and going to take that forward? ऐसा लग रहा है. Have you guys seen any changes?
Nidhi?
यार देख, मतलब टू अर्ली, 4 मैच हुए हैं. व्हाट द बिग चेंज इज ऑफ कोर्स कि हम लोग ना अभी वो 100 miles an hour, like we've seen great games and we've seen one very bad game and we've seen one, मतलब जिसमें हम फर्स्ट हाफ में थोड़ा सा बुरे थे और सेकंड हाफ में अच्छे हो गए, वैसा. और ब्रेंटफोर्ड के साथ इट वाज मोर और लेस कंफर्टेबल. आई थिंक द बिगेस्ट चेंज इज कि हम लोग ना वो 100 miles an hour वाला फुटबॉल नहीं खेल रहे हैं. So as a result of that, थोड़ा डिफेंसिव स्ट्रक्चर भी आया है. बट कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है ना कि हम लोग, जैसे तू बोल रहा है ना कि प्लेयर्स अपने माइंड में अभी भी पियोली का सिस्टम खेल रहा है. तो जैसे अभी फॉरेस्ट के साथ था, सेकेंड हाफ में आया, हम ऐसा लगा देख के ना कि हम लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं स्लॉट का स्टाइल, बट प्लेयर्स हैव इंस्टिंक्ट्स ऑफ प्लेइंग द क्लॉप वाला स्टाइल कि
Yeah.
ट्रेंट को बॉल मिला, उसने अचानक साला को दे दिया एंड साला बॉल लेके ही इज लुकिंग एंड ही इज मिसप्लेसिंग अ पास, कोई आ नहीं रहा है।
Yeah.
क्लॉप सिस्टम में क्या हो रहा था कि मतलब एवरीबॉडी वाज वर्किंग, भाग रहे हैं पूरी टीम, 11 के 11 मतलब 10 के 10 लोग भाग रहे हैं,
हाँ.
एनीवन इज फाइंडिंग एनीवेयर एनी टाइम। वो थोड़ा चेंज दिखा है, बट अगेन अर्ली डेज देख यार, ये मैनेजर क्लॉप से बहुत अलग है, बोथ इन टर्म्स ऑफ हिज टैक्टिक्स एंड आई आल्सो फील दैट इन टर्म्स ऑफ द वे ही अप्रोचेस यू नो फुटबॉल एज सच। मेरे को लगता है कि मतलब वो क्लॉप वाला जो एक ये होता है ना कि वो इमोशनल एंगल कि भाई तू मेरा भाई है, तू मेरा बेटा है, वो आई डोंट थिंक वी आर गेटिंग टू सी with this guy.
I guess you guys are too used to Klopp, and Klopp, I think the first game say he gave his all. Like you feel like he's that. I mean, not just for you guys, we felt okay. Klopp defines football. मतलब football ऐसा होना चाहिए. मतलब he had that thing that I am everything and something like that. But my another question is, you know, like what Klopp more or less had the same style when he played against every team. Like City के सामने भी वैसे खेलेगा, Brentford के सामने भी वैसे खेलेगा, Milan के सामने वैसे खेलेगा. Do you think this guy might just tweak things as per situations?
पता ही
He's
नहीं।
known, he's
Yeah,
known
too
for
early.
that.
Yeah,
He's
he's
known
exactly.
for that. But यहाँ करेगा कि नहीं पता नहीं यार।
क्योंकि 4 मैच में ब्रो he's made one change in the starting lineup. That's it. And that was after the first game. So he's just kept the same 11 literally.
I guess he just wants
So
to get used to the flow and the team getting used to knowing each other.
but this point of the season चिंतन वो fear ये भी रहता है कि we have to utilize the squad ठीक ठाक, क्योंकि कोई injured ना हो जाए, international
Exactly.
break से आए हैं, अभी तो इतने सारे मैच हैं till the next international break. So how does he manage all of this? I don't know. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a great game, bro. The
Yeah,
game is
but
going to be
Gravenberch actually has been amazing. I saw his
Yeah.
I saw the Germany game where he was quite good, and
Start
it
तो
looks
बहुत
like he's
अच्छा रहा है उसका।
he looks like thoda reborn. Last season thoda I think he was stuck in a rut. I think he didn't play that much also. So it's good fun to see him and Tijani Reinders with against each other, I guess.
yeah.
मतलब यार देख, to be fair, even in the Forest game, मतलब everybody was bad, but he was still average. तो he has started well, मतलब
हाँ.
start तो अच्छा किया है, but यही है ना, this is the test period. पहला टेस्ट अभी ये है, हर 3 दिन में एक मैच खेल रहे हैं, देखते हैं क्या होता है। स्क्वाड डेप्थ हमारी कम है।
Chintan, before we end your prediction.
Ah, God, it's so hard. Heart wants to say it's a draw. I'm going with a 1-1 draw, but I think my mind somewhere says that we might lose 1-0. So I'm going with 1-1 right now.
अच्छा. Nidhi doesn't
मानस,
do
तेरा क्या
prediction.
prediction?
Yeah,
तेरा
Nidhi
क्या
doesn't do prediction. I think we will make changes, and because of which I think we will concede पक्का. I think ये 2-2 draw है.
Wow. Okay.
But
ये
whatever,
मेरा
it's going to be a fantastic game.
या
So.
मजा आएगा। या अगर तुम्हारी टीम सैन सीरो जा रही है ना इंग्लैंड से, मतलब इफ लिवरपूल एवर ट्रैवल्स टू सैन सीरो, उसका मतलब ये लिवरपूल इज डूइंग वेल। हम यूरोप में खेल रहे हैं,
we were just discussing that on another group that if you're playing Liverpool, people were criticizing अरे मिलान क्या कर रहा है। भाई हम लोग चैंपियंस लीग खेले अगेंस्ट लिवरपूल, we are at a good stage right now.
Yeah, exactly.
मैनेजमेंट जो भी करे वो उन लोग का
Same.
लुकआउट है। एज अ फैन भाई लिवरपूल के सामने खेले, वी आर इन द बिग लीग्स, एंड जैसे
सेम
नाम
सेम
है,
लाइक जैसे मैंने वही बोला, मिलान को खेल रहे हो यार, सैन सीरो मजे करो, these are the days भाई as fans.
But guys,
Same,
before
same.
we go off, I've got to say, man, Mohamed Salah, like every year, I feel like you've got to give it to him, and I think every year, एक debate वो पीछे छोड़ते जा रहा हुआ है. I don't want to take names, but I know where you guys know where I'm going with. Every year, starting से उसका debate आ रहा है, is he better than him? Is he better than him? And जैसे अजय एक बार बोला था, his 7th season as a 1-season wonder, I guess, and absolutely brilliant. I just saw his interview. He said he's a Totti fan. He's a big Totti fan. Childhood उसका hero Totti रहा है. So it's just that, of course, great Calcio connection. Absolutely. I mean, I just want to say, what a player. After his haircut, he feels like he's another player. Mohammad Shami / Salah हो गया है. So absolutely, I just want to say it's. I think it's been a very long time. You would not believe मेरा last favorite Liverpool player कौन रहा था. I used to love Sami Hyypiä. मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I don't know why. I used to like him.
We love him. मतलब यही अब छोड़ो, उसमें बैठेंगे तो बहुत लंबी डिस्कशन हो
हाँ।
जाएगी।
Yeah, Hipia
बहुत
and
लंबा
Dan
हो
Murphy
जाएगा।
were two players I used to really like from Liverpool. अभी उसके बाद
Yeah.
बोल सकते हैं कि कौन लिवरपूल का, पर आपको, of course I'm not talking about Gerrard and all. Gerrard is a synonymous to Liverpool. But if you
हाँ,
ask me now, I can probably say that for me, in future, it's always Mohamed Salah is going to be synonymous with Liverpool.
या ब्रो हेयर कट करा लिया भाई उसके लिए, और क्या करे, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन
और
कर भाई। सो गाइस यही था
बिल्कुल
यार
यार।
वीडियो, एक छोटा सा प्रीव्यू किया हमने फॉर दिस ओपनर इन द यूएफा चैंपियंस लीग एंड व्हाट एन ओपनिंग गेम फॉर बोथ ऑफ अस। आई थिंक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट गेम्स ऑन मैच डे 1, एसी मिलान वर्सेस लिवरपूल। आप बताइए कमेंट सेक्शन में आपका प्रेडिक्शन क्या है। लाइक कर दीजिए वीडियो को एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए टू कैल्शियो चर्चा एंड टू एनएस एंड द मॉन्क, वी वुड रियली रियली अप्रिशिएट इट। एंड आज रात को हम लोग लाइव स्ट्रीम करेंगे, सो मिलते हैं। See you soon, guys. Cheers. Thanks, Chintan. And up the Reds. See you
Up
guys.
the Reds.
Ciao,
Bye
ciao.
bye.